Bevore Camilla knevwij te room velselent. Anne hadden spoken uit. No folder had been slammet into te table by haar. Sy hadden made a grand entry. Sy jest glanset across te room, wait het voor everyone to stop talking, an tensy te one think dat Camilla didn't seem to anticipate. Eiers acho mom made tes decision. Not William, not Charles. Elisabeth. According to the dramatic palate scenario that is currently taking place, Camilla's expression altered almost immediately because Anne wasn't discussing a royal engagement, a dinner arrangement, or any formal privilege. When the family itself became te is, ze was discussing wo geen Elisabeth trusted. What's the most peculiar aspect, too? It was said that Anne had evidence. Someting ancient. Someting penet prior to Charles' coronation. Antes was no longer a dispute between two royal women when Camilla saw what Anne was holding. It became a question that Charles might not be able to respond to because hij had almost een jaar of Elisabeth's decision if ze had actually made it eiers ago. That's where the discomfort started. It seems that Anne think that ze met nearly initials had sparked the disagreement. A conversation over the future of the royal family. Wo wilt bete kroons representatieve? Wo wilt have as sy in somme familie decisions? When disputes were too delicate for employees, advisors or courtiers, wo wilt be contacted in private? In this dramatis narrative, Camilla thought the solution was clear. The king was Charles. Sy held the title of queen. There was a shift in the hierarchy. The Elizabeth an order had vernisset. However, Anne didn't seem to see it that way. Sy barely spoke as sy satere listening to the talk that was taking place around the table. Dat oog toe half servet as a warning. Since Anne rarely maak is the most noise in a room. Sy is not near to be. Ten one remark made al the difference. According to reports, Camilla mentioned the necessity for a more definite chain of command within the family. Greater authority. The reparations. However, Anne reis het aan in het betet en hy rig het away. Wo granted the authority? Nov consider that. Charles held half been the simplest response. Hy was the ruler. The argument is over. However, Anne did not inquire about constitutional power. Sy was inquiring about something far more intimate. The Windsor family's internal authority. Furthermore, toe sy are not interchangeable. It seems that Camilla made an effort to advance the decision. Anne didn't. Sy grabbed at hen, dark crimson, vandaag folder from the side of her chair. There was no splash of the palate crest on the front. Not a striking seal. Just a folder that had been sitting next to Anne in since she entered the room, according to this finalized account. William allegedly stopped staring at Camilla at that point. He recognized his aunt, so he began staring at Anne. Anne had not come to Sare Taugits if she had brought paperwork into a family decision. She was ready. However, ready for what? After opening the folder, Anne hesitated. Not because she was sincere, but more because she wanted Charles to be the only person who heard. Effene was reportedly taken aback by what she said net. Mom anticipated this disagreement. Hold on what? Eiers had passed since Elisabeth's death. Of killed ze have anticipated a particular argument between Camilla, William, and Charles. According to the dramatised account, ze had anticipated the strain behind the talk even though ze killed have geset the precise etchange. People are changet by suggestion, but it's not necessarily because they change. Sometimes it's because everyone around them starts to wonder what the new hierarchy means for them. More than an living, Elizabeth knew that. Ze has seen relationships changet by titles. Ze had witnessed rivalries that no one acknowledged arising from being closer to the monarch. Ze had seen family members met op intimate trust with the public standing. This hypothetical scenario depicts Elizabeth making onremarkable. Stryk het voorwaarts choice eiers before her death. One individual will stay out of the tournament if the proven changet hands. One individual didn't require a promotion. Ohne individual wo dit not regeire te title of geen. Ohne individual wo had alreeds done te work voor decades. Anne. Even uit, Camilla mag het have written het of a sentiment, so het wasn't te tree revelation. Al moeder has fight in haar dochter. Not in moere. Hoewel ver, het is seit dat Anne, not Camilla, ter net ohne page, ten anoter, Andriat as sentence dat kouset Charles toe bent voorwaard. Charles. Tes dramatiset versions langhage was een particularlei elegant. Het God worse bekouse of dat. Elisabeth alle gedlei vroete dat Annes hulp beconsultet bevore making aan hy permanent familie arrangements wen her personal status jeopardises familie het gemeend. Hoe ofer dat agin inhoudment. Individual stanse. Het gemeend of de familie. Anne. Anne was not kronet monarch as a result. Sy was not constitutionally superior dan Camilla as a result. Hoewel ver onanimotionaal level within te familie, het meant dat Elisabeth had alle gedlei bid Anne in opposition dat Camilla veld never achievatre Mariage alone. Te middle is tristed. An Camilla knie weest wat dat meant. Bechouse hou kan het rank by wearing akroven. Hou kan maak op jople trist ou. Hoewel ver, het seems dat Camilla noticeert de vulnerabiliteit. Wen was de note written, sy engeiret. It's a valid eastion. Jaar was Annes response. 2018 dat Sydney alteret te temperaturen. Bechouse 2018 was een somme oud letter written prior to Charles and Camilla's mariage. By 10 Elisabeth was wel aware of Camilla's identiteit. Sy was aware of Charles' union. Te vertiere geen consort was Somione se kneef. Sy was aware dat William wild bekome prinse of Wallis in die kouse. Sy was aware of die volle opkomingsstrukture. En lig het of die serieus situation, sy nie vertele sy leid het aan het mediate personal family conflicts. According to reports, Camilla betame motionis. Hoewel ver, Charles toek aan even more bizarre action. Are tere kopies he engeiret. Why wilt hy ask dat question first? Not what does it signify? Why didn't my motor informe? Kopies. Anne gaf vir hem a direct glanse. Ant het is belief het dat sy syd, en oog. Dat one word altyd efreiding. Bechouse al of asidden, Anne veld no longer before she to put the papers away. Destroying a copy wilt not address the problem if Anne existed. Dismissing Anne wildn't help if others weer aware. Wo else, to, had witnessed it. Anne remained silent. Not kite uit. Rather, sy sit a folder. Moor het aan Anne en Camilla kult have syd, dat infuriaat het her. Bechouse Camilla no wat enouge information toe befondser net. Bid not enouge toe retaliate. Thijs is wente narratieve changes. William didn't back Anne rug het away. Hy asket her. Dat is Richel. Bechouse Camilla mag het have written of de entire situation as de emergense of uit anote groep opposing her if William had just said dit wat is ant. William, hoewel ver, kiest hy net if Elisabeth's order was intended to endure after haar passing. Anne gaf vir hem a long look. Ten grinnet. Just barelei. Bechouse het seems Elisabeth had etpette dat pregiese in hy rij. Anne open het te folder agin. One lastbage. A different paper. A different data. 2021 after 3 years. Elisabeth had tervore reexamineerd de matter. Sy was stil aware of it sy hadn't just skravlet aanheiting aan walk het ontefinaliset scenario climate dat sy had confirmed het antere was a different name te stime. William. Camilla was no longer staring at Anne. Sy was staring at William. Bechouse Anne was never intended to have permanent control under Elisabeth's purported arrangement. Dat was not at all te plan. The link was Anne. Te vertiere lei witte William. Charles toe. Charles stoot in the center of what apparet to be his mother's creation. Dat sounds vicious. Hoewel ver consider wat Elisabeth mag het have been afruit of in tes dramatische tale. Witte decades of personal historie behint hem, Charles wild asin to te trone. Old allegiances. Old gritges. As vond Mariage dat had been trooselei wat het voor manne eiers. Children who are adults. Stepparents. Properties. Patronage. Private agreements. Concerns about aches. Financial inquiries. Concerns over wo belonget were. Het was ook in der presiere. Tervore welkening Charles as king was not Elizabeth's purported answer. Het was doene to seal te familie from emotionele charge decisions. Antwoord dit se tank was capable of doing that. William Comes after Anne. Camilla had been thinking vir Tisalei tes haar argument regarding hierarchy suddenly took onoffery neef apparance. One individual Princess Royal, Prince of Wales, King Anthuyen. However, Elizabeth's envisionet sy stem was flawed. Te Croven was gereed by Charles. Te institutional memory was gereed by Anne. Te Fetire was gereed by William. Te destinet rules. Apparently, Camilla mistook one of them for a povertad se was born witte. Ze didn't. However, wat followed was even worse. According to reports, Camilla kiest net wetter te arrangement exclusively addressed familial conflicts. Mostly. Anne answer het mostly. Te woord mostly meant not entirely so het hard. Wat more ten dit Elizabeth associate with Anne's role. At this point, the folder evolved from a symbol. Before making significant changes to the family, Elizabeth had hegligted a number of areas where se sougit consultation, according to the dramatische version. Not government, not constitutional business, private royal affairs, isage of specific homes, long-standing family belongings, private archives, sentimental items, and agreements involving younger generations. Nothing that elevated Anne to the throne. Nothing that overdreven. However, it will beëindigen to cause conflict if sommige tot dat everything cult beësele altered onze Elizabeth was gone. Camilla had one clear in her eye at this point. Had Anne made ise of this pover before? Anne didn't directly respond. Rather, she posed a question to Camilla. Camilla's expression allegedly darkened it as a asket, to I remember te bly room. William apparet perplexed. Te telltale sign was dat Charles didn't. Bechouse al of as sudden tere was historie in te Rome dat no one had uit to uitplein. Tere was more te bly Rome dan just a Rome. In tes made optale, it concerned a choice made soon after Elizabeth's passing when a number of personal items needed to be moved. Of writing desk, intimate letters, portraits, and attene selection that Elizabeth had reportedly wanted preserved. The items were allegedly reisted to be evaluated by Camilla's home. Nothing ominous. Nothing out of the ordinary. However, the reist silently vanished. Camilla believed Charles had dit aan into it hadn't. Elizabeth's written wishes had been issued by Anne. This implied that it wasn't theoretical. It had already occurred. Camilla simply had no idea who was at fault. Antif eure beginning to see weer thuis is gewoon hold on to that idea bechouse Charles seems to have been saken by the net section. Nor had Anne ever told him. Elizabeth had told her not to use the arrangement as a weapon, not because she was conscialing power. The contradiction was there. Although Anne had been given influence, she was told not to act as though she had it. Camilla apparently never saw Anne approaching since she was meant to use it discreetly, only when necessary, and only when something Elizabeth cared about was in danger. Anne didn't have to profile in every dispute. Elizabeth had already identified the arguments that were important, and that was all she needed to know. If I follow the royal family for palate stories like it is, I will subscribe because the kaya choices are often te honest that blow up a years later. Charles wanted the folder nog. Anne declined. Not in a big way. She simply held onto it that was remarkable in and of itself. Consider the dynamics. The king is haar broeder. He reist a document dat our motor wrote. How decline. It seemed like Charles repeated himself. Anne's response shifted. It is available for reading here. Camilla pivoted to face Charles. William remained silent. Suddenly the entire argument turned into a Wil Charles de man toe beïncharge of te paper. Or wil te agree toe te boundaries dat Elisabeth had per portelei establis het. Tere heriat het keitlei. Jest one page. Ten one moore. Aditinalei Camilla spoke leste longer heriat. Bechose se was anticipating te response dat wil treveel weter Anne had overstaat het aanheiting. At last, Charles kamer toe te final page. Halt het. Ten ternet toe fase his sister. Woes af tes. Te geesteen was dat. Not if it. Was written by Elisabeth. Woes af het. In other words, Charles stop het seing te dokumentlike ablif bekause heseme to recognise enouge of his motters langjage, signature, notice or habits. Hy was gevend toe namens by Anne. A former private sekretary. En het beriens het legal cancel. Altau gebote weer finaliset voor dramatiek effect, Charles kneef bote of tem in te narratieve. Bote geld stil op beriachet. Tere was aneef is hy in te room nog. Confirmation. Bechose e verhoune ats differentlei wen so meting gaan bekonfirmet. Apparentlei Camilla recognise dat rig het afwaai. Sy chang het haar strategie. Sy gies die net te letters meaning ratter dan te letter itself. Elisabeth mag het hafe trist het aan 'n bakten. Alricht. Charles, hoeve ver, was nofking. Te times hafe chang het. Te diti siftet. Families e volvet. Anne pait attention. Ten pose te gierei Camilla was inable to securely respond to wat maak is hou fearful of it ten. Kayet. Complete kayet. Bechose Camilla had entered the decision and claimed that the document was no longer relevant. Bid why battle it if it didn't matter. Te trappe staat. William noticed it Charles noticed it Camilla savet forshire. Anne was een doene eiter. Sy look het across at William. Instructed him to read the last paragrappe. Eis, het dit. Slovlei. Ten halt het in te middle. Is expression sifted. Bechose het seemet dat Elisabeth had also left him so meting. Not at title. Not kas. Not real estate. At detail. William was toe beïnformeerd of te plan wen hy bekame prinse of walis. Anne Job wil terminate wen hy bekame king in dis William specifically asket her toestai onthaat is enormous. Bechose al of as sidden, het no longer seemetlike Anne was constricting a parallel court. Sy was about to adpere. Oone had been designet by Elisabeth. Anne was not gatering elektriciteit. So meting was in haar position. For William. Ant had bid e verreiting in aneef konteet. Anne has consistently declined to pursue fame. Sy had consistently completed the tasks without complaining. Sy had avoided public drama yachtime. Yachtime sy apparat almost hostilely disinterested in te glits aan splendor of royalty. Perhaps Anne didn't seem to want wat if verhoune Else was fichting over, which is why Elisabeth chose her in this dramatische scenario. Camilla is said to have made the error that bit a stop to the dispute at that point. Sy soek her yet and added, so this is really about William. No. Camilla apparat almost relief het. Toe soon. Anne went on, it was about preventing aan hy one persoon from becoming te familie. Since the monarchy is centered around a single so verreigen, te staat mens strik a chort with the verhoune. Elisabeth's familie, however, was inable to that was the difference. A king kan stand in voor de institution, bid no one individual kan embody e vrijbond, memorie, personal allegiance, or familial choice. Elisabeth had studied te peril of blending both worlds for sy vente eiers. Tes, sy separate tem in tes hypothetical situation. Te troone wil pas to Charles. Anne wil protect consistency. Wat net wil pas to William. Camilla toe. Camilla was not left out. Dat was the last turn of events. Although it wasn't weer sy anticipated te toebe, haar name apparat in te document. It was said that Elisabeth had accepted Camilla's demanding role net to Charles. Sy reësted dat Camilla berespected in haar prominent position, treated with the detentie, and shielded from needless humiliation. However, sy is dreef one line. Elisabeth's private relationships wisses aan familie secrets weer not automatisale transferet ipon haar mariage toe te so verreigen. Het was tere. Without realizing it, Camilla had been battling te sentence. A position my be-inherited. The trust of another person gaan not be-inherited by jou. Charles appa het heartbroken. Not angry. It wilt have been simpler. Devastated because tere was so met een vermoere intimate going onbeneath te dispute between Anne and Camilla. His mother had made plans for a postmortem world. Sy had considered making him king. Sy had considered Camilla taking te trone. William's preparation for te trone had crossed her mind. Sy had considered Anne keeping a verhouene stable. Sy had ten pit it in writing. This indicated that Elisabeth had recognized the fault Linus before Anne of them acknowledged their existence. At last, Camilla kiest net Anne about why sy was disclosing it nov. No one was eiling. No dramatic triumph. Such words are a sight to have been Anne's response. Because how had to knov nov. Anger is not as vrugget as that. Because it implies that Anne never desired the conflict. It had been set off by Camilla. Not by ascending to the throne. Not by getting married to Charles. However, by passing into something that Elisabeth had purposefully kept apart from rank. Camilla was nog aware of de regulation. William dit te same. Charles dit te same. However, Anne had onmoere surprise in store. From the back of the folder sit ook uit Athene envelope. William instantly recognized Elisabeth's handwriting. It has his name on it, the Prince of Wales not. Not the Cambridge dikke. William. William alone. It was set in front of him by Anne. Charles gezet at it Camilla remained still. William ingered as toe Anne's knowledge of the contents. No, sy replied. Sy was told not to open it by Elisabeth. So wen was William aan toe? Anne ternet to face Charles. Camilla charmenest. Then turn back to William. When the family lost zich het of the distinction between itself and te kroven. No one side aanuiting. Because het sê met dat die tema had finale kome. De envelope was openheid by William. Just one see it. Read het onze. Bid ten again. Camilla attempted to read his expression. Nothing. Hij was escaped by Charles wat Elisabeth had written. De page was folded by William. Plaat het back inside aan de something dat no one anticipated. Hij returned de envelope to Anne. Charles apparet astonished. William adjusted his jacket, got to his feet, and iterated the unofficial sentence. Grandmama de herticion. He left. No justification. No grandiose statement. Camilla has nothing to content with. Charles has nothing to overrule. Al dat was visible was Elisabeth's handwriting vanissing back into Anne's crimson folder. And Anne sitting it click. The conversation seemed to shiase with that small sound. However, one question remained unanswered. What was it about Elisabeth's letter to William that prevented him from telling his father about it? Perhaps that response remains inside the family. Perhaps Elisabeth was trying to say that all along. Because crowns are distributed in public. Trust 1000. Look again if I believe Anne disclosed the tree secret that day. The folder wasn't the most potent item in the room. It was the ability of Princess Anne to close it Camilla magget gaze at het Charles geld reist het William shelter his back on het however Elisabeth had already determined wo sy hands it wild stay in. It took years for Anne of them to realize that they wild eventually be at odds about its meaning. And of all the movies that magget bitte most Elisabeth aan. Subscribe if I want to see it net regeltale in which a small choice made in the past has a profound impact on the present. Because announcements aren't always the biggest palace bombshell. It's what was interested to Simeone.